Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. We're going to be looking at gold and also S&P 500 today. We'll start off with S&P. Let's go ahead and get into it here. We are on a 10 tick here and looking at some levels on S&P for tonight. We have some resistance. We did have a nice downward trend today. We had a little bit of an opportunity to buy to the upside for a little bit, but from there we fell off underneath this gap area and we started to move down from there. So we did touch some key levels. We touched right around 36.60 and we started to move up. We're right now sideways in a sideways range on S&P 500 underneath the prior level of support, reacting as resistance right here at 77.25, and that's going to be our level of resistance as of current, and then our level of support is going to be right around these 65.50s first, and then underneath that's going to be these 36.60s right under here. So that's what we're going to be looking at. But right now, if you want to trade with the trend, best opportunities to try to take the short to continue the actual trend trade into those 65s and into these 60s. If you want to wait for resistance, look for that double top, look for that two-try failure, maybe even that V-top, and then try to get that market to come back down into these 65.50s and then below. But if the market can't break 60, it pops back up. Look for that support to come in and then take that right back to the middle and the very top of the actual range. So we want to be able to look out for those for the support. Underneath those 60, we're going to have 36.55, 75. That's going to be a level of support next that we're looking at here on this 10 tick. So if we get under those 60s, I'll look for the market to try to come in there and see if we get a support bounce. If we do, then I'll look to try to fade that back to the upside. Let's take a look at a 5-tick chart here real quick on S&P, see what we got. In the smaller view, we did take a little bit of a long right here, right in the middle of this range. We had a good opportunity for a couple bounces and then a move back up. Right now, though, really want to see it come a little bit further into these 76, 78s and continue to use that as resistance. Right now, you can see we're using this level right around 73, 74 as level of resistance. Still in the downtrend, so we want to be able to watch out for that. If you want to trade with the trend, again, wait till you get back into those 78s and see that failure and then try to take it back down. If you want to do opposite and take a bounce off support or buy off support, then look for the levels of 65 and also 60 for some support ideas. From there, look for those bounces for the market to not get through the level and then take the level back to the upside. Let's go ahead and take a look at a gold chart here real quick, see what we got on there. Gold, we are moving back to the upside. We did have a lot of a drop off today. You can see our levels of prior support turned into resistance, and we are moving back up from there. We are at a level of support right now. 1841.9 is our level of support right now. And from there, we're going to try to see if the market can first break this level, this minor level of resistance right around these 44, 45s. And then from there, we're going to try to get it up into these 46s and then move it all the way back up into those 52.8s. That's assuming the market's going to hold this level of support. If it doesn't, our next level of support comes here at 1838.1, and then underneath that is going to be 1832.5. So we're going to look to see if the market can continue from this level right here first, this minor level of 41.9, for the continuation or move to the upside. If it can't do that and it drops back down, first level, we're looking for that support right here, 38.1. Get that support bounce and then try. If you stay under this level of 42, you can even try a short to continue the actual move down. But underneath this level, we're going to look for right around these 32.5s as well. Let's take a look at a 5-tick here on gold as well. See if we got anything closer in here. You guys can see the support bounces that we're getting right now on this 5-tick here. Very nice support bounces going on, and good opportunities for the long 1, 2, and 3 for a continuation of long. But we got to get it through this level of resistance right now. If we can't get it through that level of resistance, then we're not going to be moving any further up. We're probably going to pull back a little bit to actually get some support. So first level of resistance we need to get through, 45.2 is our level that we're going to try to push through. Once we get through that level, then again, you can look for your upside levels of these minor ones, 46, 47, then right around these 48 to 49. So that's what we're going to be looking at. If it does go into this level of resistance and can't get through, you can look for a double top move and come right back down into support. That's what we're going to be looking for on gold as well. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. And also some exciting stuff coming, guys. The launch of Pure Structured Trading. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade just price action and market structure and how to read the charts correctly, feel free to go onto the website and put your email in there. We're going to be launching soon, so some exciting stuff coming, guys. You guys take care. Have a great night.